Good morning, friends. Myself, Professor Kamlesh Jadhav. Today, I am going to discuss about the recruitment of the course number ABM 234, whose title is Human Resource Management and Development. Firstly, we will see what is meant by recruitment. Recruitment is a positive process of searching for prospective employees and stimulating them to apply for the jobs in the organization. When more persons apply for jobs, then there will be a scope for recruiting better persons. The next is definition of recruitment. According to Filippo, recruitment is a process of searching for prospective employees and stimulating and encouraging them to apply for jobs in an organization. He further elaborates it, terming it both negative and positive. The next is process of recruitment. First one, the process of recruitment consists of following four stages. First one is searching out the sources. Second one is developing the techniques. Third one is use of good techniques, and fourth one is stimulate the candidates. So first one, searching out the sources from where required persons will be available for the recruitment. If young managers are to be recruited, then institutions imparting instructions in business administration will be the best source. Second one is developing the techniques to attract the suitable candidates. The goodwill and reputation of an organization in the market may be one method. The publicity about the company being a professional employer may also assist in stimulating the candidates to apply. The next one is use of good techniques to attract prospective candidates. There may be offers of attractive salaries, proper facilities for development, etc. Then fourth one is to stimulate as many candidates as possible to apply for the job. In order to select a best person, there is need to attract more candidates. The next is factors influencing recruitment. First one is size of the enterprises. The number of persons to be recruited will depend upon the size of an enterprise. A big enterprise requires more persons at regular intervals, whilst a small undertaking employs only a few employees. Second one is employment conditions. The employment conditions in an economy greatly affect a recruitment process. In underdeveloped economies, employment opportunities are limited and there is no dearth of prospective candidates. At the same time, suitable candidates may not be available because of lack of educational and technical facilities. Then third one is salary structure and working conditions. The wages offered and working conditions prevailing in an enterprise greatly influence the availability of personnel. If higher wages are paid as compared to similar concerns, the enterprise will not face any difficulty in making recruitments. The next is rate of growth. The growth rate of an enterprise also affects recruitment process. An expanding concern will require regular employment of new employees. There will also be promotions of existing employees necessitating the filling up of those vacancies. A stagnant enterprise can't recruit person only when present incumbent vacant his position on retirement, etc. Thank you.